Hello everyone, this is Mr. S. Balakumar, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Today we have discussed about entrepreneurship. Before moving to entrepreneurship, we all should know about who is entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is a business person to taking a financial risk for making profit. You should understand what is entrepreneur in this screen because of various words are displayed in the screen. For example, team, management, responsibilities, enterprise, innovation, initiative, manager, ability. So these words are related to every entrepreneur. Once the entrepreneur become a business person, you should apply these words into her character. Now moving on to definition. First definition, entrepreneur is a person who establish his own business or industrial undertaking with a view of making profit. And second definition given by J.A. Schumpeter, a person who introduces innovative change is an entrepreneur, and he is an integral part of economic growth. And third definition given by Webster, entrepreneur is one who assumes risk and management of business. All these definitions we understood the five elements, which is risk taking, making profit, set up a business, a management of business, and last one, economic growth. These five elements are explained in these three definitions. Now we are moving to characterized sketch of an entrepreneur. Yes, first one, hard work. So every entrepreneur should one character called hard work. So hard work making a man to perfect, because he is a business person to enlighten the business, to grow the business. You should comes every second of life or every second of business utility have to hard work for their business. Is a main character which is included any entrepreneur. And second one, business acumen and sincerity. So business acumen is nothing but it's a correct judgment or correct decision. The businessman should take correct decision at the correct time for growth of the business. Any kind of decision, including a profit or loss or any kind of decision, step by step to encourage the business. And also the sincerity. The sincerity is very very important for every business person. And third one, prudence. So prudence is nothing but so cautious. So what we do, when we do, what what is the aim of the business, it should all comes under cautious. So every entrepreneur should cautious about their business, then only they going the right way. The decision making authority is an entrepreneur where you should take right decision or wrong decision, it should be own. And next, achievement motivation. So every entrepreneur should motivate themselves, then only they can shine the business or grow the business. Because no one should grow, no one should motivate you as a business person. You are a business person means you have to motivate yourself. Where should go, why, when, how, it should be asked to yourself and do it positively. And next one, next character, self reliance and independence. So every business person should commit under independent. So any decision making authorities, any planning, any organizing, all under comes under independent. No one should insist to do for the business person, and also the business person no in dependent on anyone for their business. So it's very important character for any entrepreneur. And next one, highly optimistic. So every business person should say possible, not impossible. The impossible option is cannot be opted for every business. The confident about the future or hopefulness, it's very very important. In case of any losses or in case of any problems arises, the hope cannot be loses. It's very important in the business. Next character, keen foresight. So keen foresight is also, we say that future oriented. You should concentrate on future, because of the business cannot give the profit at the right time for startup time or 1 or 2 years, but the business will focus or growth in 5 years or 10 years. Then you have to understand or you have to realize what will happen in the future for the business, for from the political side, from the environmental side, from the people side. The taste will be changing in the people side. So your business, what will grow, when will grow, it will be reflected in your future oriented thought process. It's very important character also. Next character, planning and organizing ability. Once the planning will done, the entrepreneur correctly executed the planning, because the organizing capacity is very very important. So everyone should go the planning, but the organizing capacity, organizing ability is very important to achieve the goal. And next, innovativeness. So the world is going for innovativeness. Every side, every initiative, every ideas, every new fresh ideas will be recognized by all over the world, all over the people. So every initiative is will be recognized. So the entrepreneur should must to innovative, to create new ideas, to create new formation their business. It's very important in the society. And next, very important character of entrepreneur is risk taking. Once the entrepreneur start a business, the risk will also started, because of the profit or loss. Inside, you have to bear your risk or you have to take the reward. It have to simultaneously will happen, but you have to take compulsory risk bearing in the business. And next, secrecy maintenance. So every department or every organization or every business person should maintain their secrets. Any kind of secret is also, which is from the government side, from the people side, from the customer side, from the competitor side. So any kind of secrets you should maintain. It will lead your business on the top level. Next, public relation. So once you're a business person, you have to relate or you have to communicate to the people. It's definitely very important, because their ability, the leadership quality, how to attract the people, it's very very important. And next and last character of entrepreneur is communication skill. So every organization or every enterprise should easily understand the business organization process it through communication. So every entrepreneur as a communicator to communicate their business, then only the public relation will be available. Once the public relation will get circulated, then your business will get growth. So these are the main character of any entrepreneurs. Next, we are moving to functions of entrepreneurs. the main function already we are saying that the characteristics. So now assumption of risk. So first function is assumption of risk. Maybe the risk comes under the environmental side, or the risk comes under the political side, or the risk comes under the government side. So any kind of, or the money financial sectors, so any kind, all these kind of risks should be accepted or should be uh, recognized by the entrepreneur. It's a main function. What will happen in the future, what will happen in the 5 years, it will be assumption. So first assumption of the risk should know. And decision making function is a very important function. You could take immediate decision for what will happen in the company. If the company going to loss, you can take a perfect decision or immediate decision. If the company is going profit way or goal achieved, then you have to change your business to the innovative thinking. So decision making function is very important at the right time, at the right way. And next function, managerial function. So already we are know about the management function. So it will be included to the organization for of every entrepreneur: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating. So these five management functions should implemented in the entrepreneur. And function of innovation. So a entrepreneur is known for innovative. So new business, new idea, you could follow the new generation, new peoples, meeting the new peoples to get the new idea. It's very important to run away the business. And a next topic, entrepreneurs, economic development. So what is the main role of entrepreneurs to the economic development? Yeah, coordinating role is a very common role, because coordinating all the entrepreneurs to coordinate with the government or the politicians or the environment or the society. It should coordinate with all those elements to get economic growth. It's very important role of entrepreneur. In also the agent role, is he is a agent. Entrepreneurship is a agent for government and people, because of they are helping the people and also the government to growth. Repeatedly I say that innovation is role, very important role in this world nowadays. The innovation are very playing a vital role in our world. Lots of you see that the pictures are major examples of innovative thinking. Lots of innovation, small products or innovative thinkings. See lots of pictures you have seen this. Very important role of entrepreneur in the economic development is innovation. And next, risk assumption role. So what is the risk, what will happen? So same repeated once, but it's very important role. And imitating role. So what will the society will want, or what will the already developed countries or implemented their product? So they can implement it because of the needs of the customer. They can implement it. So because they are very needed, so then only we can imitating the role. And capital formation, it's very important. So every organization should develop their business, should develop their organization. It automatically leads to capital formation. So they can put the money to the government, or put the loan to the government, or put the customers to growth, or their employers. So it's a uh, very initiative for capital formation role. And next, balancing role. Yes, the business person or entrepreneur are balancing the poor people and the rich people. They can provide the product to the poor people and also rich people. Not only rich people, not only the poor people. their business should tolerate or should balancing the this role. And status transformation, lifestyle, standard of living, it will be leaded. For example, if every organization um, should employ the any a number of peoples are there, so they are leading to standard of living, to growth of standard of living for the individual. They are working in their organization, it will big role. Once the standard of living is increasing, then automatically the national income will increase, the economic development increase. Yeah, it's a very important role of society, the business person, employee generation role, to create employment of their society, their surroundings, or to improve their quality of life. It's very important role. And export promotion role. So every businessman not only consider the domestic transaction, they are going international, means the export will be promoted. So export, once the export will be promoted, means the economic growth automatically promoted. So this is for entrepreneur development or economic growth. Now you understand the concept of entrepreneur character, qualities, functions, and economic developments. And thank you for listening. We will see you on next week.